everybody, so we are having a workshop coming up in August, on August 8th, and what we did was we wanted to brainstorm and figure out, okay, what would our patients and our community really benefit from our next workshop? We wanted to give you something very practical that you could be using on a daily basis. So what we decided to do is a self-care workshop for knees and shoulders. So with that, we feel like everybody at one point has probably had knee pain or shoulder injury or something like that you want to know, what can I do when I feel injured or when I have this constant pain? So we're going to give you protocols, self-care, things that you can be doing at home to start treating those things. And Dr. Gay is going to be sharing all of that with you. So it's going to be at 6:30 on August 8th. We're going to have dinner provided, and bring a friend. I mean, who do you know that has some shoulder issues or knee pain? And bring them along. I'm sure you can think of somebody right now that would really benefit from this. So we hope to see you on the 8th. Sign up now, and we'll see you there.